I'm going to show you how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI-generated videos. This means you don't have to show your face, record your voice, or edit your videos manually. Sounds amazing, right? Well, keep watching and I'll show you how it's done in under 3 minutes. Step 1. Pick a niche for your channel. Niching down is hard, but your channel will grow faster if you pick a niche instead of making videos about random topics. For example, you can choose a niche like AI tools, gaming, education, or health. You want to pick a niche that has a lot of demand and interest from viewers, but also one that you are passionate about and have some knowledge of. Step 2. Write a script for your first video. Once you have a niche, you need to write a script for your first video. This is where AI tools come in handy. You can use Chatgpt, an AI tool that can generate text based on your input. You can use Chatgpt to write a catchy title, an engaging introduction, and informative content for your video. You can also use Chatgpt to generate keywords and tags for your video. Step 3. Generate the video. After you have a script, you need to generate the video. You can do this by using Pictory AI. Just give it your script from Chatgpt. Pick a video template and wait a few minutes. It will automatically generate the video for you with stock footages and add some decent looking text too. Step 4. Create a thumbnail image. The next step is to create a thumbnail image for your video. A thumbnail is the first thing that viewers see when they browse YouTube, so you want to make it eye-catching and relevant. You can use tools like Canva to design your thumbnail image. You can also use Chatgpt to generate catchy headlines or slogans for your thumbnail. Step 5. Generate an optimized headline and description. The last step is to generate an optimized headline and description for your video. This will help your video rank higher on YouTube and attract more views. You can ask Chatgpt to generate catchy titles or descriptions based on your niche and keywords. And that's how you create a faceless YouTube channel using AI-generated videos. Leave a like so I can make money too. Bye.